Let us see mensuration of mathematics. Mensuration is a branch of mathematics that deals with the measurement of 2D or 3D figures. For example, 2D figures circle, square, triangle, which will be measuring area, perimeter. 3D figure cylinder, cube, area. Area is the amount of space occupied by two-dimensional figure. For example, if we are considering square here, this is a two-dimensional. Okay, then if each side of the square is x, then area is x into x square, meter square. For example, if next, perimeter. A perimeter is a closed path that encompasses, surrounds or outlines either a two-dimensional shape or one-dimensional length. Volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a 3D shape. It is expressed in cubic meter. Surface area. Surface area is the total area occupied by the surface of a 3D object. They are classified into two: curved or linear surface area. Second one is total surface area. Picture game. Let us identify what are the shapes here. First one, square. Second one, parallelogram. Third one, triangle. Fourth one, rhombus. Fifth one, circle. Sixth one, rectangle. Let us see examples of area and perimeter. Area. As we know the definition, the measurement of the region enclosed by a plane figure is called as its area. Perimeter. The perimeter is a line enclosing a plane area. So, for example, if a rectangle is having a length as L and B as a breadth, then area will be L into B, product of length and breadth. Perimeter is 2 times of length plus breadth. If a square is having a side A, then area is A square and its perimeter is 4 times side of the square. Unit conversion. Let us see, if length is in 1 centimeter, if we want to convert into millimeter, then we have to multiply with this 10 mm. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. This is for length. Similarly, for area, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So 10 into 10, 100 mm square. Millimeter. Mm stands for millimeter. Second one, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. 1 decimeter square is equal to 100 centimeter square. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter square is equal to 100 decimeter square. Similarly, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters and 1 meter is equal to 10,000 centimeter square area. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. 1 decameter square is equal to 100 meter square. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters. 1 hectometer square is equal to 10,000 meters square. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer square is equal to 1000 into 1000 meters square, nothing but 10 power 6 meter square. 1 array is equal to 100 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. For example, area of 2D shapes. Triangle. If a triangle is having height as a h, b as a breadth, then area will be half of base into height, perpendicular height. And the perimeter is sum of all the sides of a triangle. A rectangle. If rectangular length is L and b is breadth, then perimeter will be 2 times of length plus 2 times of breadth, and the area will be product of length into breadth. A square is having a side as a S, then perimeter is 4 times of the side and area will be side square. Parallelogram is having height as h and breadth as this b and this slant height is L. Then the perimeter is 2L plus 2B and thus area will is B into H. Trapezium. If trapezium the parallel lines of B1 and B2 and H is a perpendicular, then perimeter equal to sum of all the sides of this trapezium and area is equal to half of sum of the parallel sides into height. Rhombus. If rhombus is having length as L and the Length of the diagonals is a d1 and d2. Then perimeter is equal to 4 times of the length, and area will be half of the product of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, or b into h, perpendicular height. Thank you.